外国媳妇第一次在江西农村打糍粑，然后第一次吃糍粑是种什么体验？嘿嘿 ，baby, what are you doing? You waiting for this? Oh, this is traditional. Do rice. Try this rice. Maybe you can try this. This rice is different rice. Just this. This. 糯米饭. This is 糯米饭. Sweet. What feeling? Sweet, right? Here you can sit. Sit here. Don't sit here. Here you will have problem. Okay. Good taste, I think. Sweet. This is like a snake, not normal rice. Normal rice we don't eat this. Just snake. Kill some dog. Oh, you will jump. Oh, you also like it. Mama, help you have this chair. Okay, come on. This in this place. 一次啊两次啊吧？
一次。
This rice is different style, baby. Not our normal rice. 留一点。
够了。
哦，可以。
还要不要
Do you want another one? This is the real steel, not fake. Real steel. Yes. And then we'll use this fence and do. Do this. You can near me. Okay. You can say what is this? This is rice. Oh my god. Do you want to try?
I think no.
Come on, try.
Looks
It's very,
hard.
very funny. Interesting. Come on, you let's try, baby. Give it a try. Okay, cool. Okay, nice. Yeah. Oh, nice. Come on. This hand here and this finger here. Yeah. Yes. Come on. What feeling? Very hard. Oh. Okay, I do. Very hard. Oh my gosh. It is very strong, really. You can see, really strong this time. I'm feeling very hard, very tired.
And very hot maybe.
Yes, really hot. Oh my gosh. Oh, here.
是不是有了？
Oh.
小茉莉，
哎，
一小就没力啊，一小哎，嫩嫩哎。太放的呀！我还有。 气呀！
哎
不呛打麻服了。
，Oh my god！ 哎呦！Can you see, baby? My hand. Oh my god. Very crazy. Oh my god. Oh. 都出汗了，很 wet. Crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, dog, what are you doing? New shoes. 还解鞋带。Oh, very hot. My father is very strong. Okay. Oh. Do this. Do this. And then do this. Yes, like this. I will need more. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yes. This is peanut. Well, good smell. Yeah, like this. Mother is more professional. We can try. You can use hand.
那点很好
Hand
吃，
is more better.
那点很好吃。
Oh. What really? Little.
我的乖。
Be careful. Just like this. Very cool. You like? Very tasty. If no makeup things, you can do this. Do this. Yes. Like this. Oh, good. I can use this for help you make up. Pew. Yes, 2 hands. Oh, professional. Good. Finish. Good. It's good for play, V. You never see this, right? Look at you. Oh, funny. This very heavy. This from stove.